Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to pin comments on Instagram. So let's start. First open the Instagram app. Go to your profile from bottom right corner. And let's look for some comments so that we can pin it. This post has some comments. Now tap on the comments and the comment section will open. Now long press the comment you want to pin and tap on the pin icon at the top of the screen and tap on pin comment. And the comment will be pinned to the top. And anyone who comes to this post will be able to see the comment. And to unpin the comment, long press the comment again and tap on the pin icon at the top of the screen and tap on unpin. And that's how you can pin and unpin a comment on Instagram. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.